Have you ever dreamed of a pen that you can flick? Now you can stop dreaming. We made Jet. Jet is not your usual pen. Deploy it and you will comfortably write for hours. Its telescopic mechanism makes it compact enough to fit anywhere you need it. You will never have a good excuse to leave it at home. It's made for everyday carry. Jet is spring-loaded for fast action. It also makes it quite addictive. The bolt action lever is designed around fidget factor and ergonomy, operatable with any finger. It just feels right. More? Made out of grade 5 titanium and stainless steel, it is tough and ready for anything you throw at it. Powered by Fisher Space Pen refills, it's prepared for any environment, even space. Jet can be entirely disassembled for maintenance. In order to offer a pen that will follow you for the years to come, spare parts will be available. Our pens are precisely machine-milled and assembled by hand. Jet has been designed through prototyping and real-life testing. For the hand, by the hand. A lifetime companion is what we made.